Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which German composer is famous for the wedding march from A Midsummer Night's Dream? Is it A. Felix Mendelssohn, B. Ludwig van Beethoven, or C. Richard Wagner? It is A. Felix Mendelssohn. Which composer is known for operas like The Ring Cycle? Is it A. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, B. Richard Wagner, or C. Giuseppe Verdi? It is B. Richard Wagner. Which lake in the Caucasus region is known for its deep blue waters? Is it A. Ritsa, B. Baikal, or C. Titicaca? It is A. Ritsa. What city is the administrative capital of Palestine? Is it A. Jerusalem, B. Ramallah, or C. Bethlehem? It is B. Ramallah. What island nation has its capital in Port Louis? Is it A. Seychelles, B. Mauritius, or C. Maldives? It is B. Mauritius. What blue gemstone is known for its perfect cleavage and is often used in jewelry? Is it A. Sapphire, B. Kyanite, or C. Lapis lazuli? It is B. Kyanite. Which American physicist developed the path integral formulation of quantum mechanics? Is it A. Richard Feynman, B. Niels Bohr, or C. Enrico Fermi? It is A. Richard Feynman. What chemical element has the symbol K? Is it A. Krypton, B. Phosphorus, or C. Potassium? It is C. Potassium. Which singer became famous with her debut album Sour? Is it A. Billie Eilish, B. Lordi, or C. Olivia Rodrigo? It is C. Olivia Rodrigo. Which TV series follows the rise of a British crime family in the 1920s? Is it A. Boardwalk Empire, B. Peaky Blinders, or C. The Sopranos? It is B. Peaky Blinders. Which empire was known for being the largest in history by landmass? Is it A. Roman Empire, B. Ottoman Empire, or C. British Empire? It is C. British Empire. What is the capital of Barbados? Is it A. Bridgetown, B. Nassau, or C. Kingston? It is A. Bridgetown. In music theory, what term refers to a combination of clashing notes? Is it A. Consonance, B. Harmony, or C. Dissonance? It is C. Dissonance. Which Canadian singer is known for songs like My Heart Will Go On? Is it A. Alanis Morissette, B. Shania Twain, or C. Celine Dion? It is C. Celine Dion. What data visualization software helps businesses analyze and visualize information? Is it A. Power BI, B. Tableau, or C. Excel? It is B. Tableau. What ancient civilization is known for its republic and empire, which dominated the Mediterranean for centuries? Is it A. Ancient Egypt, B. Ancient Greece, or C. Ancient Rome? It is C. Ancient Rome. Who is the famous fictional detective created by Arthur Conan Doyle? Is it A. Hercule Poirot, B. Philip Marlowe, or C. Sherlock Holmes? It is C. Sherlock Holmes. What simple organism is known for photosynthesis and can be found in water? Is it A. Fungi, B. Moss, or C. Algae? It is C. Algae. What type of marine animal has a long tusk and lives in Arctic waters? Is it A. walrus, B. narwhal, or C. seal? It is B. narwhal. Who is a famous French fashion designer known for bold creations? Is it A. Yves Saint Laurent, B. Thierry Mugler, or C. Karl Lagerfeld? It is B. Thierry Mugler. What type of wetland is characterized by salt water and tidal influences? Is it A. bog, B. salt marsh, or C. swamp? It is B. salt marsh. What ancient city in Jordan is famous for its rock-cut architecture? Is it A. Palmyra, B. Babylon, or C. Petra? It is C. Petra. What electronic device revolutionized the modern computer era? Is it A. vacuum tube, B. transistor, or C. microprocessor? It is B. transistor. Which sea lies between Australia and New Zealand? Is it A. Tasman Sea, B. Coral Sea, or C. Bering Sea? It is A. Tasman Sea. Which religious sect is primarily found in Lebanon and Syria? Is it A. Sunni, B. Shia, or C. Druze? It is C. Druze. What is the famous football match between Real Madrid and Barcelona called? Is it A. El Superclásico, B. Derby d'Italia, or C. La Liga El Clásico? It is C. La Liga El Clásico. Which footballer is known for playing as a striker for Tottenham Hotspur and the England national team? Is it A. Cristiano Ronaldo, B. Harry Kane, or C. Lionel Messi? It is B. Harry Kane. What is the capital city of Australia? Is it A. Sydney, B. Canberra, or C. Melbourne? It is B. Canberra. Which organization focuses on protecting the world's oceans? Is it A. Oceana, B. Greenpeace, or C. World Wildlife Fund? It is A. Oceana. Which space mission was the first to land humans on the moon? Is it A. Apollo 13, B. Apollo 11, or C. Gemini 12? It is B. Apollo 11. What large freshwater lake is located in Florida, USA? Is it A. Lake Superior, B. Lake Huron, or C. Lake Okeechobee? It is C. Lake Okeechobee. What large lake is located on the border of California and Nevada? Is it A. Lake Tahoe, B. Lake Michigan, or C. Great Salt Lake? It is A. Lake Tahoe. In music, what term means to play expressively? Is it A. legato, B. espressivo, or C. staccato? It is B. espressivo. What foundation works to protect oceans and beaches? Is it A. Surfrider Foundation, B. Sierra Club, or C. Oceana? It is A. Surfrider Foundation. Which river is known for flowing backward during the 1811 New Madrid earthquake? Is it A. Mississippi River, B. Amazon River, or C. Nile River? It is A. Mississippi River. Who became the Prime Minister of Sweden in 2021? Is it A. Magdalena Andersson, B. Stefan Löfven, or C. Ulf Kristersson? It is A. Magdalena Andersson. Which sculptor is famous for the thinker? Is it A. Michelangelo, B. Auguste Rodin, or C. Donatello? It is B. Auguste Rodin. What branch of biology focuses on the functions and mechanisms of living organisms? Is it A, anatomy, B, ecology, or C, physiology? It is C, physiology. What is the chemical formula for water? Is it A, CO2, B, H2O, or C, NH3? It is B, H2O. What field of science studies the structure and function of the nervous system? Is it A, psychology, B, neuroscience, or C, biochemistry? It is B, neuroscience. What animal has a unique defense mechanism where it shoots blood from its eyes to scare predators? Is it A, cobra, B, Komodo dragon, or C, horned lizard? It is C, horned lizard. What city is known for having over 1,000 bridges? Is it A, Amsterdam, B, New York, or C, Venice? It is A, Amsterdam. What biome is characterized by cold climates and coniferous forests? Is it A, taiga, B, tundra, or C, savanna? It is A, taiga. What social media platform was founded by Mark Zuckerberg? Is it A, Twitter, B, Instagram, or C, Facebook? It is C, Facebook. What Irish river is the longest in the country, flowing through Limerick? Is it A, Liffey, B, Shannon, or C, Boyne? It is B, Shannon. Which musical instrument is part of the woodwind family and is known for its high-pitched sound? Is it A, clarinet, B, oboe, or C, flute? It is C, flute. What device receives and transmits electromagnetic waves for communication? Is it A, radio, B, radar, or C, router? It is A, radio. Which rapper is known for hits like Sicko Mode? Is it A, Drake, B, Travis Scott, or C, Kendrick Lamar? It is B, Travis Scott. Which naval battle in 480 BC was a major Greek victory over Persia? Is it A, Battle of Marathon, B, Battle of Thermopylae, or C, Battle of Salamis? It is C, Battle of Salamis. What mathematical operation is used to transform a function into another function? Is it A, Fourier transform, B, integration, or C, Laplace transform? It is C, Laplace transform. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.